How's it going, YouTube? Fatboi here with Soul. Today we're going to be restoring the Jordan 1 Breds from the 2009 DMP Pack. As you can see, this shoe needs a lot of work. We're going to give this shoe a nice deep clean, crease removals on the toe, deox the midsole, then repaint the uppers. So we're going to start off by putting one shoe to the side so you guys can have a nice before and after at the end of the video. We're going to get our easy cleaner up here and our 3 brushes, a hard bristle brush, medium bristle, and a soft bristle. Pump in a couple of squirts of our easy cleaner. Get to cleaning. First, you want to remove the laces from the whole shoe. What I like to do is, as soon as I take off the laces, throw them right into the bowl so they could clean, drench all the dirt out. Then we're going to take our Angela shoe trees, apply them into the shoe. Make sure it's in there nice and tight. Now I like to start off with the soft bristle brush to clean the uppers. Usually for the midsole, to get all the dirt out, and for the undersole, we like to hit it with a wire brush, just so it can really dig right under all that dirt. After cleaning the whole shoe, I usually like to rinse out the laces. Get all that dirt out the laces. Nice and clean. After that, the whole cleaning process should be finished. Check out quick before and after the shoe. Step 2, after the clean, I'm going to decrease this toe box area right here. And to do so, you want to stuff it with as much towels, plastic bags, or paper as you can until you see most of the creasing gone. You want to take another towel, place it right on top, and damp it. After damping the towel, you want to take your hot iron and gently as you can see, most of the creases are gone compared to the other shoe. So after your decrease process, you can see that the toe box is nicely shaped. Got rid of all the creases around the middle of the toe box, right there. Nice before and after. Right now we're gonna get into the upper repaint. Over here I got some Angelus matte finish, Angelus flat black, pre-mix of the Bred colorway, electrical tape and scotch tape, my 2 brushes, scissors, and some grid sandpaper. After prepping the whole upper of the shoe with acetone and cotton balls, we're gonna start painting. I like to start off with the red. This is a pre-mixed Jordan 1 Bred colorway. And we're gonna be repainting the toe box area, the back tab, uppers, and the check mark. Or the swoosh. Let's take a look at the red here. So after repainting all the red panels with the pre-mixed Jordan 1 Bred colorway, we're gonna hit the black area with some flat black. After repainting the entire upper of the shoe, we're going to take our Angelus matte finish to put one protective layer on top just to make sure the paint doesn't scratch or peel off. And the matte finish on the whole upper, you want to make sure it's fully dried and you can peel off the tape. Finally, we're gonna ice out the midsole just to make these Jordans look brand new. For the sake of the video, we are icing out after the repaint, but I highly recommend doing it before. Follow me as I show you how to ice out the midsole. So to ice out the midsole, you're gonna take the sole sauce of your choice and apply an even amount all the way across the midsole, like so. Finally, apply the saran wrap onto your shoe and throw it into the bin and check back in 12 hours. Hey guys, so we're back. After leaving the shoes in for 12 hours on each side in the deox bin, we finally got the desired results we wanted. Take a look. As for the surfaces we used on these shoes, we started off with a deep clean, then a decrease on the toe box area, an upper repaint, and finally a midsole deox. Use code BRED during checkout on our website for a free surprise.